Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video and your daily update on Jasmy, which we actually have something new to talk about because we got the breakout. All right, the breakout we were talking about yesterday. Now, I'm not sure what I said yesterday. I mean, yesterday we talked about this, right? So, what you saw in general earlier with Jasmy, which made me believe that some sort of a reversal or at least some sort of a bullish breakout was possible, is multiple things. First of all, and this was already the case yesterday, but it was very young, right? So one thing you need with Jasmy to actually turn bullish is momentum. And what you saw is that yesterday we actually started to gain some momentum. And then what I said is that, all right, well, that's all great, but short term, we are still trending down. So the one level we need to break above is, well, this trend line, but also 3.6 cents. And that's what we did in the early afternoon. Broke out, rallied up to this resistance level here at 3.9. And right now, I think the situation is actually pretty neutral. We are at least on the short time frame. On the lower time frames, we are no longer trending down. So that's bullish. We gained a lot of momentum, and by the way, there's multiple things going both ways, but what's also true is that yesterday we already had a bearish divergence, right? So that's also something we talked about yesterday that increased the chances of some sort of bullish momentum. So I think you would be fairly well prepared if you watched the video yesterday, but right now, obviously, the question is that all right? Well, we got bullish momentum yesterday. We have real momentum, real open interest in the price right now. What's next? Can we actually rally up higher and make new higher highs? And I think that question is still relatively difficult to answer because, yes, we do have momentum. And we also have some relatively big long liquidations here. So usually when you get liquidations like that, that's interesting. That's like the more long liquidations you have, the bigger the chance of some sort of a reversal. So that's all great, but in the end, purely technically, I have a little bit of a cough brewing. But no, if you take a look at the technicals, what you can see is that the EMAs right here, so those waving colored lines, are flat, which means the average price is flat, and then that combined with the fact that we have a strong support right here at 3.2 cents, and a strong resistance right here at 3.85 cents. Technically, this is a consolidation, all right? So when we're talking about a consolidation like this, while you have a lot of momentum, I would say the most likely scenario, because from a consolidation, the one thing you're waiting for is a breakout. I would say the most likely breakout is a bullish one. But that is like what I always say, and I do think that's true, is that for a breakout like this, you need momentum, and we have the momentum. But I also do think that, I mean, if you take a look at this and you really zoom out and you see this momentum, it's by far not as much, both the total, but also the growth, all the other times we broke out. So I think we need more momentum, and the only way you can get more momentum is with a relatively bullish market. So I think that is really the main thing to wait for today. Some sort of a bullish breakout by Bitcoin. And if Bitcoin is able to get some sort of a bullish breakout above 66,800, I think there's room for the momentum for Jasmy to grow. And then I think we can break out. I think the circumstances as they are right now are not enough to get a bullish breakout. I think then it's more likely that, sure, we test 3.9 again, but that we will just consolidate here in this area until we do get some strong momentum from the market. So that's what I think for now. Keep your eyes on Bitcoin. I think this is what you should expect. I think this is most likely. It's in line with the structure right now. But if Bitcoin does change its trajectory today, something like this becomes a possibility, which I will keep you updated on in my middle of the day market update as well. So don't worry about too much about that yet. But that's what you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.